Srila Prabhupada said, book distribution is the Guru's business. I was told that by Prabhavishnu Swami. He told me Prabhupada had said that to him several times. So, we have some initiation candidates here on behalf of Srila Prabhupada and all the previous acharyas. We can welcome some devotees formally, officially into the family of Gauriya Vaishnavas. The Ritvigvadis say you should only initiate on behalf of Prabhupada. That's what any guru does. He initiates on behalf of his guru and the whole sampradaya. The only difference is that you actually take some responsibility, whereas the Ritvigvadis say, okay, now you're on your own. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
Next,
Hare
please
Rama,
be ready,
Rama
Mataji.
Rama, Hare.
Frederick, you're next.
What's the name? Yeah. Mostly I'm giving names of disciples of Srila Prabhupada. In other words, the name that you will get is one of the names that Srila Prabhupada gave to one of his disciples. So, please tell me the 4 regulated principles.
No meat eating, no intoxication, no illicit sex, and no gambling. And I promise to chant at least 16 rounds of Hare Krishna mantra every day for the rest of my life.
Jai. So this is a name given by Srila Prabhupada. I think the Indian devotees will recognize this name. The name is Lambodara Das. It literally means one who has a large stomach. And it's generally associated with Ganesh, but it can mean Lord Vishnu who puts all the universes in his stomach. That's bigger than Ganesh's stomach, right? Hare Krishna. Do you know that? You recognize that name? Yeah, it's a well-known name. He's fondly known as Lambodara and fed lots of ladus to keep up his profile. Modak, yeah, ladu means modaka. It's the same thing. Ladu is not Sanskrit and modaka is. Hare Krishna. You okay in English? Got it practiced? You're not going to cry now? You're already crying. Well, good, you should cry. Don't stop crying. Cry for Krishna. All right, so please tell me.
I promise to eat no meat, no fish, no eggs, no gambles, no sex illicit, and no intoxications.
Yeah, that's a big.
It's the second one.
That's
sorry.
a big one for the French,
yes.
Huh? Wine drinking is part of the culture. I guess in Britain, it's beer drinking is more. It's pretty horrible, whatever it is. And when instead of doing all those things, you're going to chant Hare Krishna minimum. How many rounds?
16 rounds minimum per day.
All right, very good. So this is again a name given by Srila Prabhupada. It means she who kills material desire. It's a name for Srimati Radharani. Kamaha Devi Dasi. Hare Krishna. You have an all-European crew here from Italy, France, and Germany. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. And sit here. Yeah, good idea. Yeah, so please say.
I promise to follow the 4 regulative principles of no meat eating, no illicit sex, no intoxication, and no gambling. And I promise to chant at least 16 rounds of the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra every day.
Jai. Name is the name of, well, it's the name given by Srila Prabhupada, and it's the name of Krishna's charioteer, Daruka Das. So all the new initiates can take blessings from all the devotees here, especially Mother Janaki can take blessings from her after the yagya and everything. You can go offer obeisances. And that's all I have to do for now. All right, Hare Krishna. And there are others who are taking the Gayatri initiation, can come after the yagya and see me over at the house of Amalatma Prabhu. So, on with the yagya, is it? You have to go to another room. Okay, Jai, Hare Krishna. All glories to His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada, who very kindly came to this world and accepted us all. Jai Srila Prabhupada.